Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to be testing this homemade bathroom spray. It's a Pine Sol magic spray. I will link the actual recipe down below. But all that's in this is Pine Sol, water, and then I added in dish soap. The original recipe called for alcohol. I opted to switch that out with about a tablespoon of dish soap. I find that that's going to work better. I find that Pine Sol can leave a little bit of a residue, and I don't like that, so the Dawn dish soap kind of helps counteract that. At least in my opinion, I use a similar mixture to mop my floors. So I'm going to spray this on and let this sit for a minute and come back and wipe it off. I'm also going to be testing this in my shower today. This is what my shower is looking like currently. We just had a plumber come in here and had to unclog the drain that was in here, so it's kind of really nasty, but I'm just gonna go ahead and use the same spray. I'm gonna do the same method, just wipe it down. Overall, this cleaner worked really well. I like this more than the typical vinegar spray I've been using. I'll link a video down below because it doesn't smell like vinegar. It smells like Pine Sol, so it's really fresh and light. So if you don't like the vinegar smell, this one is probably a better option for you. The spray alert worked really well in the shower too, and I didn't notice a difference in the cleaning power from the Pine Sol cleaner versus the vinegar magic spray.